everyone. I'm Deanna Parsley. I would love to share with you a sigil, a very powerful healing sigil that I picked up last night in vision. It won't be exact because in a split second it's hard to remember it all, but there was some big meaning in it. I'd like to draw for you. Sorry, this is the best I can do. Okay, so we know a lot about when a cell divides, and that comes back down to the flower life. The first 8 cells at the beginning is the seed of life, the fruit of life. And it goes out to the Metatron's cube, and that's the basic of every cell division before it goes off into species. So let's just go back to the 2. We know the Via Capeces is very important, and especially dealing with feminine energy. That's where her privates are, and it's almost like that's the seed of creation or the womb of creation as a sperm comes in. So I was shown an interesting design last night based on this design, and it was really quite interesting. So I'll try to draw this way so you can see it. So you have your 1 cell, and then it divides into 2. And the space in between, I believe, is called, you see it in a lot of designs and patterns all over the world. It's like a fish of abundance because things are multiplying and recreating. It also can be called, I can't remember if it was fleur de lis, tricorda, if you throw in another one. But what was interesting about this one is if you did a circle in the middle, actually it wasn't quite that. It was almost like a circle, but it was like cornered off in lines. And then it had, and I can't remember the exact design. It's almost like a little patchwork quilt design. I do not remember if each one was the same or different. These were left plain. These were definite round circles. You can tell my artistry is perfection. And I don't remember exactly what was in the middle, but I'm pretty sure it was, I'm going to go with the same sort of design. It was put off into quadrants. And I know it's not the exact code that came out last night, but you get the idea. And the intention is, whatever it is you need to heal in yourself. Maybe I was just being shown these parts of me are clear, and where the overlappings is going on, that might be where I'm cluttered. So I found after this came last night, I had a profound healing. And since this full moon, I've noticed that I'm dealing with dark programs in my body that have been coming up. Like where they're on us, taught, society, or even felt within, self-hatred. Where shame has damaged us, blame, self-punishment, manipulation, anger, hate, bitterness. So, yeah, this is a big part about self-care. And for me, it's about self-care and cleaning out the rest of the residue. And that's what it really feels like. So as we're getting back down to our base 1 cell division of gathering up all our fractals, getting back into the oneness, which I think was, sort of where these 4 circles, because they felt really important, was coming together. If we did that, this wasn't in there. But as we gather ourselves back up and we're getting into our single unification of all our fractals, We need to have all of our shit cleared out, all these programs, and blossom back into the love program. So we're doing a bit of discharge on cleaning out our gucky stuff. And today I had to wear soft pink. And it's how can I be soft on myself? And I'm triggered on my own stuff. And for me, I've been going through healing the womb and having fibroids. And I think I have an infection now. And so, you know, what's coming up for me today is, haven't I been through enough? So we all get to work through our own process. But this code is got something going on, and I felt like I really needed to share. So I hope you picked up a grain of resonance and you do your own healing work. Blessings.